Welcome back to All This Math. This is Professor Parker, and I have my loyal sidekick, Assata. She's drinking boba tea. What is that? That's boba tea? What flavor is that?
The flavor.
There's only one flavor of boba tea? Or are there multiple flavors?
The flavor.
What does that mean? The flavor. What does that mean?
The flavor it is. That's the flavor.
Oh, you're being obstinate right now? Is that the word? Obstinate? All right, so look. My lips look too greasy. Do I look like I've been eating fried chicken? What does it look like? How does it look?
You already look like that.
I already look like I've been eating fried chicken? Really? I just naturally wake up in the morning and I look like I've been eating fried chicken? Really? Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Simmer down. Simmer down. Read this equation. We're about to solve an equation. This one's going to be light. Watch. Read it. Read it for the people.
A minus 4 equals 36.
All right. So you have too many variables. There's too many of them. You got two of them, but at least they're on the same side of the equation already. Because they're on the same side of the equation, you don't have to switch sides. You don't have to move them. You don't have to transpose. We can just combine like terms. These are like terms because this is a to the first power, and this is 4a to the first, well, negative 4a to the first power. But the point is that these variables are the same. When the variables are the same variable, same exponent, you can just combine them if you have to do addition or subtraction, right? What are you doing? So look, what's a minus 4a? Let's go. What's a minus 4a? What's a minus 4a?
Negative
Tick
4.
Tock. No, it's not negative 4. Really? That boba tea doing something to your brain? This is 1a. This is equivalent to 1a. So you telling me 1 minus 4 equals negative 4?
Oh, negative 3.
Come on. Don't be a slacker.
There's no 1 there.
I know it's not. Does it need to be a 1 there? It does not. You need to know, and you all viewing this too. Notice what she just said. There ain't no 1 there. Right. I know it's not no 1 there. It don't need to be a 1 there. If there's no coefficient in front of the variable, it's your responsibility. It is your responsibility to just know that there's an invisible 1 there. Okay?
No.
Okay?
No.
Think you're cool with your little AirPod in? It's your responsibility to know that A is equivalent to 1A. So therefore, 1A minus 4A is negative 3A. Negative 3A equals 36. Watch that. Now, we're trying to solve for A, so we need to get rid of negative 3 and change it into a positive 1. How do you change negative 3 into a positive 1?
Multiply.
Multiply by what? You could. I wouldn't do that, though.
Wait. Hold on. Add.
No.
Divide.
Divide. Do the opposite operation. She first said multiply. I think she was being facetious, but even if she wasn't, she actually was correct because you could multiply. You can multiply this negative 3 by its reciprocal. It's reciprocal. The reciprocal of negative 3 is negative 1/3. The reciprocal of negative 3 is negative 1/3. We could do that, but dividing by negative 3 is the same thing as multiplying by negative 1/3. All right, so let's just divide because I think that's easier. We got to stay balanced. So if I divide on the left, I also divide on the right. Divide on the left, I divide on the right. That's going to be divided by negative 3 on the left, divided by negative 3 on the right. What's negative 3 divided by negative 3? Yo, what are you doing?
1.
Right, that's going to be 1 over 1.
That means you're too close. That means you need to back up.
1A over, that means I'm right on the board. Maybe you need to back up.
Doesn't mean right.
Nah, your handwriting is not up to par.
It's neater than yours.
It definitely is not.
Your S's look like 5s.
It definitely is not.
And your 5s look like S's.
No. No. So what? What about all the other digits that I write?
Look at your A. Why does your A look like that?
Because it's cursive.
Hideous.
It's cursive.
That ain't no cursive.
It's cursive.
That ain't no cursive.
You think you're fancy because you write A's like as if they were printed, like Times New Roman or something? What do you think this is? All right. Anyway, A, see, cursive. You're jealous because you never learned cursive.
I know how to
I don't think you do.
I do.
I think you're just jealous because your generation didn't learn how to write in cursive.
I don't need my generation to learn for me to learn.
Anyway, 36 divided by -3. What's 36 divided by -3?
What did you say?
Man, you better pay attention. 36 divided by -3. Why is it negative? How come it's not positive?
Because that's not what that is.
Explain. Explain for somebody that doesn't know. Explain to the people. Hello? Explain. Why is this negative? Why is the quotient negative?
Because a negative divided by a positive or positive divided by a negative is always negative. A negative times a negative will, oh wait, that's positive. A negative times a positive.
You're doing too much now.
Is negative.
Now you're doing too much. All right,
okay,
now.
I still explain something else though too.
Now, time to check your work. We think this is the solution. Time to check your work. Replace the A with -12. Replace this A with -12. And that's equal to 36. So we want to see if this is a true statement. If this is a true statement, then this is a correct answer. Remember, correct answers give us true statements. Incorrect answers give us lies. Correct answers give us true statements. Incorrect answers give us lies. That's because mathematics is about finding the truth. When we understand mathematics, we can find the truth. When we apply the principles of mathematics, we can find the truth, right? And it's very difficult for people to lie to you. That's why it's very difficult when you understand mathematics for store owners to scam you and scheme you, or for anybody to scam you for that matter, because you understand the truth, because you understand the principles of mathematics, and you understand that when somebody says something that's untrue mathematically, you know that they're lying. You know they're trying to get over on you. So that's why another reason 6,487, why math is going to help you in real life. All right, so look, first thing, order of operations. We're not going to do -12 minus 4, Assata, right? We're going to do -4 times -12. Some of your hair?
No.
Anyway, -4 times -12. Let's go. So it's thread from your sock? Okay. Anyway, -4 times -12. Mm-hmm. Stay focused. Stay focused. Let's go. -4 times -12. Come on, man.
48.
48. Yeah, it's not 36. That's 3 times 12. What are you doing? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
Is this a true statement? -12 plus 48. Is that a true statement?
No.
Really?
No.
-12 plus 48 is equivalent to 48 minus 12. You saying 48 minus 12 is not 36?
No.
No what?
No.
I think it's something in a boba tea. 36 is equal to 36. This is a true statement. That means this is a correct answer. Remember, in algebra, correct answers give us the truth. Incorrect answers give us lies. 36 is equivalent to 36, regardless of what Assata thinks.
No.
Or what she says. -12 plus 48 is 36.
No.
All right.
63.
Any final words?
No.
All right. Go practice problems. Find some problems where the variable is written in two different places. Where the variable is written in two different places, practice those. Make sure you know how to combine like terms and go through the rest of the steps. All right. See you on the next video.